Everyone, welcome back to School Science Project. Today I have created a game that incorporates with electronic components. So let's start making it. First we need a cardboard box. Then we need to cover it with white sheet of paper. After that we need to add a battery, buzzer, light bulb and a switch to create a system in which if you press the switch, the light bulb and the buzzer will be switched on simultaneously. Like this. Then I designed the game and add some few final touches. Now how to play this game? First you need to keep two fingers in the starting square, two-sided square. Then you need to move one of the finger above the another sided square, which is one diagonally above the another one, like this. You need to continue this process until you reach the end. Whoever presses the button first wins. Whenever someone presses the button, the light bulb switches on and a buzzer beep beep sound happen, indicating that someone has won. I hope you like this game. I encourage you all to make such games and have a blast with your friends. Till the next time, bye.